Hi everyone, welcome back to Lina's Pretend Play.
In this video,
We're gonna talk about
how to play half notes.
Music Adventure Learning Piano
Part 10.
Let's get started, Lina. So step by step guide on how to play half note. Can you find the half note here, Lina?
Yes.
Which one is it?
It's the one with the circle in the middle, and it's just like the first one. The four. You see how it's the four quarter notes. On top of that is where it has a stick, and then the thing, except
so
with a hole in it.
Yeah.
Oops, sorry.
That's a full note, that's a half note, and that's a quarter note. So this note is for 2 beats. How do you feel? And tick tock.
Tick tock.
So let's see how to do step by step how to play half note by
Kodley method.
So what is actually Kodley method, Yelena?
Oh, so the Kodley method is there's the notes, whole note symbol, half note symbol, and quarter note symbol.
Let's talk about half note this year.
Yeah, so we're going to be doing half notes.
Yeah. So how Kodley used a half note?
So he used it ta-ah.
Yeah, so 2 words.
Or you can do ta-ah. You could just keep it like this. But we like to do it ta-ah.
Yeah.
You switch your hands.
So he used ta-ah sound for over 2 beats.
2 beats.
Counting a half note is counted as 1 ta-ah with each half note applying 2 beats.
Yeah, but we're going to be doing it on the piano. But we're not going to do like...
Yeah, there is a step by step. Okay?
So we're not going to do like 2 times. We're just going to do 1 and then keep on going.
Let's explain more in detail.
So now we're going to clap it.
So play 2 half notes. So can you do the Kodley method 2 half notes, Lina? Using clapping?
So I'll say set go and then I'll say ta-ah. Set go ta-ah and then I'll repeat it again. Set go ta-ah. Set go ta-ah. And I'm repeating that again. Set go ta-ah. Set go ta-ah.
Did you guys notice how Lina used 2 beats ta-ah and then clap ta-ah? So Kodley used that method for the half note. Okay, now let's see the 3 half notes.
Okay.
So
it's the same thing except 3 of them.
Yeah.
So set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah. And now, did I do it 4 times?
Yes, you did.
That's a little bit too much. Now I'm going to repeat it again.
Look at my finger, I'm counting.
Okay, set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah.
Good. You are mastering it. So now 4 half notes. How can we?
It just goes 2 times.
So because we are doing this because you can repeat, so it will mind will memorize it, right? So if more you repeat, it will be more practice, right? Okay, can you do the 4 half notes?
Yep. Set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah. I'm repeating it again. Set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah.
Good job, Lina. So now we're gonna play in piano.
Yeah, so we're gonna play middle C.
So we're gonna use, Lina is going to use middle C to play half note. Yes. So go, Lina.
Set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah. And now I'm repeating that again. Set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah. I kind of did that one at a quarter note.
So when you're pressing it, you are taking a little time, right?
Yeah, like set go ta-ah.
Yeah, you are pressing it. Yeah, I have noticed that you are pressing it longer time than quarter, right? Okay, let's go 3 half note.
Okay, set go ta-ah. Oh, that's the wrong one. Set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah, set go ta-ah. repeating that again. Circle, ta, ah. Circle, ta, ah. Circle, ta, ah.
Good. Now 4 times. 4 half.
Circle, ta, ah. Circle, ta, ah. Circle, ta, ah. Circle, ta, ah. Now I'm repeating that again. Circle, ta, ah. Circle, ta, ah. Circle, ta, ah.
And one more time.
Okay, circle, ta, ah.
Good job,
Oh,
Lina.
that was a lot.
So you practice a lot. So now it's for you guys' turn to practice more at home. And what it says, consistency is a key.
Even 15 to 20 minutes a day can make a big difference.
You really like to read that, right?
Big difference.
Yeah.
Practice diary. Keep a diary to track progress and practice sessions.
Yeah, so the thing is, keep practicing.
Yeah.
Alright, thank you so much for watching our
I also have a
videos.
monkey.
Yeah. Okay, so bye monkey. Have a good day. Bye. See you guys next time.
Bye.